Hello and welcome everyone to our fifth episode of ABAP development on SAP BTP platform. So in our earlier episodes, we discussed the various journey of our SAP system towards BTP. Also, we discussed how we can install the Eclipse tool and we saw the total configuration of Eclipse tool, and then we saw how we can use the ABAP development tools for the configuration over Eclipse platform. Next thing is we are required to go for the ABAP environment. So in this episode, we are going to discuss how we will subscribe to our ABAP environment and how we will do the connection with the Eclipse tool where we are going to write our code. So subscribing our ABAP environment on BTP Business Technology Platform. So BTP is a open platform as a service which is given by SAP for the pure development purpose. And for the subscribing of BTP trial account, you are required, we need a global SAP ID, which we can create from sap.com. You can simply jump to sap.com and you shall be able to create that. There you see, and you can simply create a new account from SAP here. Once you have that one, you can simply go to SAP BTP cockpit. So next step is jump towards the SAP BTP cockpit section. So I'll give here step 1, go to SAP BTP cockpit. And using this trial account, what you are supposed to do, you will simply log in to have a trial account of SAP BTP. So there comes our step 2, using SAP Universal ID, we will create our SAP BTP trial account. We are going to do that. There you see, I will simply go for the sign in section, and then it will ask for my SAP global ID. So I'm going to give here, and then I shall pass my password here, which will take me to the direct BTP account. Correct. Another important thing you must understand, BTP is a very large platform. So BTP, we can do so much of the development. Our focus is going to be the ABAP development in this particular course. So if we go and check, there is one called a Discovery Center where we can check all the services which is offered by SAP BTP. We can go to SAP Discovery Center and then you can check all the services which is being offered by SAP here. So a note point I will write, we can go to SAP Discovery Center and we can check all the services which is being offered by SAP BTP platform. All the services you can see here. There you see. I'll jump to my SAP BTP services section. There are total 85 services which is being offered by SAP BTP. Out of which we can see our ABAP environment is also there. So here using this ABAP environment, we can develop ABAP cloud applications and extension, and we can leverage the innovation of SAP HANA Cloud. There you see, it allows us the features of the development of it. There is something we need to understand about this ABAP environment on BTP. So ABAP environment on BTP is a shared environment for the trial users. If we are creating it for the trial account means this is something which is being offered by SAP for the learning and development purpose. For the companies, they are giving us in a productive version where they are charging, and we can also check the pricing here. If you check the pricing model, you can go here, see here cost per and pay as you go a plan as well, and you can check what are the prices that is being offered by this SAP BTP platform here. If I scroll it down, you can see for the it is euro 0.71 for 16 GB block of the persistent memory and 2.5 euro for 16 GB block of the runtime memory. Meanwhile, if I go and check, also if you check this pay as you go plan, it is available in AWS at so much location, Azure at so much location, and Google Cloud at so much location. They are like a data centers. All these things are like a data centers where our data is going to store, and we can also select where exactly we want our data should be stored here. If I check my trial account version, so trial account is only available in AWS and Microsoft Azure location. So this service plan is included in the overall SAP Business Technology Platform contract, right? So shared environment for BTP trial users, and this is only available, and the data center for this is only available at our AWS and Microsoft Azure locations. That is, you see here, correct? It's a free plan with the trial. The instance is shared between all the users here. Very important stuff. Keep this mind. That's why I say it's a shared environment, and this shared environment, ABAP trial environment on SAP BTP is a shared environment, and it will be shared among all the users. All the users. So kindly do not use any private data here. This is only for learning purpose, which is being offered by SAP. So meanwhile, once we can go to the trial home by clicking on this from our SAP BTP cockpit. It will take me to our BTP environment. I will jump to that location, and then it is going to ask here, you see that which location you want to create this trial account. Right now it is available at US AWS Amazon Web Services, and at the Singapore location it is available in Microsoft Azure. So I'm going for AWS, and I'll go for the creation of my trial account. So this will ensure that our trial account will be created, and we shall wait for it till this trial account is getting created. So our global account, you see, it has been created, sub account, organization, and a space will be created. So let's wait for it. Sub account is a trial. So let it be created. So we need to understand how things work here. There is my global SAP BTP account. Inside it, this will be a main SAP BTP account. And inside it, what we are going to see, we will have all our services. So we will have all the services accessible. So we can have multiple sub accounts for different roles. Like let's say I'm having a sub account one who is doing the ABAP development. I will create a sub account 2 which will be responsible for, I'm going to say, Fiori development. Then I'm having here suppose sub account 3, and these people are responsible for BTP CAP development or native HANA development on SAP Cloud Platform. So many things we can do using these sub accounts. They have been created. We'll go for the continue and now go for your trial account. So you can also directly copy this URL and I'm putting it here for you guys so that you can also create your BTP trial account. cockpit.hanatrial.ondemand.com/trial #home/trial. So we will jump to our trial account. And we are going to subscribe our SAP BTP environment. So I will go inside the trial account, click on that. And we can go for our service section. Go for the service marketplace where the market is there, where all the services offered by SAP BTP will be available. I will simply search for my ABAP environment. There we have, open it. I will go for the creation of this service. So it's a shared plan. It will be shared among all the users, whatever the development we are going to do. This ABAP environment will be backed by Cloud Foundry and the development space is there. So say I'm giving ABAP development as the instance name. Next. Here in the email, you are required to pass the same email through which you have created this trial account. So I am passing the same email ID. Go for the next and go for the create. It is going to create our service. And we can go to our instances and subscription section. So I'll click on that. And there we are going to check. So another important thing we need to understand, now we have our two stuff. Eclipse tool, where we will write and edit code. And the second one is ABAP environment, which is going to ensure that our code will be executed on our ABAP code will be executed, provides the runtime for ABAP development application execution. So this is for write and edit the code, and this is for providing the runtime for the ABAP application execution. How these two things are going to be connected? So what we have done here, we have installed ADT, and here from this ABAP environment, we are required to do the connection. So we will get the service key. What we will do, we will get the service key, and using service key, we can connect our ABAP BTP environment with our ADT on Eclipse. So this service key will play a major role. I am going to download it. I will need to create it. So I will check here. Go to the instances section. There is our ABAP instance. I will open it. Yes, I will open it. And in the service keys, I'm going to create my service key. So let's Amrit underscore key ABAP. I'll go for the creation, and this will create my service key. Once the service key is created, we can simply download this service key here, because this service key will play a major role. This is the medium through which our Eclipse tool will be connected with our ABAP environment on SAP BTP platform. BTP is the future of any kind of development from SAP point of view. So we must understand the flow of it. We must understand the flow of it. The moment this service key is created, you can click on this and you can click on the download button to download this key. And then we can go to our Eclipse tool and we can connect it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a cloud-based project. You see, file, a ABAP cloud project, and I'm going to use my service key. So that I will click on extract, import, and this is the service key which we just downloaded. Open it. I will copy this URL, and this URL we can simply paste it, which will be used for the connecting our Eclipse tool with our ABAP on BTP environment. So go for the next. It will ask to the log on to the ABAP service instance. So we will do the login. It may ask your user ID and password of SAP BTP account. Since we have already logged in here, that's why I did not ask. And if you are seeing this, then you will see, you can go back to Eclipse and you can see what is the project name it is asking. So I'm giving the same ABAP development on SAP BTP platform, which we are going to use for our course here. So go for the finish, and there you see my ABAP on cloud project has been created. This will have all the details, my favorite package, objects, released objects, right? So this whole part of the development we will discuss in the next session. Meanwhile, the agenda of this session was to understand how we can connect our SAP BTP trial account with our BTP ABAP environment with our Eclipse tool via using the ADT. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Kindly subscribe our channel, like the video and share with your loved ones so that they can also understand the BTP ABAP environment and they can also develop the ABAP based application on the BTP platform. Everything we are going to cover completely end to end. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.